Hey guys, in this video we're going to reverse a string using for of method with JavaScript. In the past video we have done a reverse a string challenge in JavaScript with built-in methods. So we split the string, we reversed the array that we have created, and we have joined it back together into a reverse string. However, many employers will tell you that please do not use a built-in method for this challenge because it makes it a lot quicker and simpler, and they want to really see how you think and if you can use more hands-on methods such as a for loop. And in this case, of course, you could use the for loop such as this. However, I would caution you against doing that because there's just so many different parts to it where you can accidentally make a mistake. So instead of, let's say, putting semicolons, you can accidentally put commas, and it will really mess up your whole loop and what you're trying to achieve. So the way that I would approach this situation is using the new syntax with the for of method. And before we jump right into code, I wanted to make sure that we pseudocode what we're actually trying to do here. So we would first create an empty string, and in my example I called it reversed string. And we will take each character from the original string that we have been giving here and add it to the start of the reversed string that we have just created in a temporary variable right here. Essentially, our code would be doing something similar to this. We will have a string, let's say sound, that we have been given as a parameter right here. And we will be creating a new string that's an empty string that we called reverse string. We will then iterate through the string sound each time, putting the new letter in the beginning of the new string that we have created. So the first iteration will take the S and it will put it in the beginning of the string. Then it will take the O and it will put it in the beginning of the string, creating a string OS. Then it will go through the U and add it to the string OS, creating UOS, and so on until it creates a fully reversed string as a result. All right, so let's jump into code. What we're going to do is we're going to create a variable, let reversed string to be an empty string for now. That is the string where we are going to be putting in our letters to and making it actual reverse string. And we're going to create a for of loop, and VS Code is helping me out here where I don't have to finish it. So we're going to, instead of iterator that it gave by default, we're going to say character because it is more descriptive of string, and that string is the string that we're iterating over, the one that we have been given as a parameter right here. And what we're going to say is reversed string that we have right here to be equal character plus reversed string, which is doing exactly what we said right here we were going to do. We're going to iterate over each character in the original string, and we're going to be putting it in the beginning of this reverse string that we have created, therefore making it a reverse string as a result. And right here, we're going to want to return the new reversed string. And so this solution right here will give us the exact reverse string that we're looking for without using any built-in methods. This right here will satisfy a requirement of any employer that is saying that we don't want you to use any built-in methods and we still want you to reverse the string. Now, I did want to mention that if you ever have a coding challenge where the question is asking you to go through every X number of characters in a string, so every second character in the string or every third or fourth, or etc., you will have to go back to the syntax of a regular for loop. So it's just something to take a note of and be aware of. But if you just need to reverse a string and you have to iterate over every character in the string, you can confidently use the for of method and skip a lot of the syntax of the for loop in JavaScript. In the next video, we're going to take a look at palindromes and coding challenges involving them. Hopefully you have found this video helpful, and if you did, we will see you in the next video.